I'll call you knucklehead.
Oh, we need to charge the GoPro. It did last minute.
All right, we're in Roatan. Just got coffee.
I want to be a boy.
We're going on island for an excursion. Waiting for the rest of the family.
Green Santa! We're coming. Green Santa. Green Santa.
Christmas is over, Connor. No more presents.
Did you get that? Thank you.
Step on up. Welcome. Walk to the bar.
What was your name again?
Jim.
Jim. Yeah, if I could, I would.
Hey, follow Jim.
That's his name?
How y'all doing?
That's definitely a local place.
Wait, is that a real thing? Or is that these like medical things there?
Oh, was it? Any way you can sell a drink, huh?
I don't know if it really is. I think it maybe actually is a real clinic.
In quotation marks. Hey, say after.
I don't know why you call it drink.
Chips are put together, you just pull the bottom one off.
Anything that's not on water makes me feel less likely to die.
Local dog. Don't touch the local dog. Half of them for guarding. Half of them are starving. Oh, Jim taking us to a time. Oh. Do they do spoon in Spanish? Oh yeah, because Spanish. It's a big boat.
It's becoming
Really?
a hot spot here, yeah.
What's that?
Hot spot.
Yeah, we don't have no problem. Like they could have strikes and all kind of stuff, and we're just living our life here.
Okay.
We don't have like whatever influence there doesn't influence us here.
Next up.
So this community is Capuchin Hole, guys. It was named by a pirate named John Capuchin. They just put Capuchin on it, and the hole they added it to it because this was his hideout.
Oh.
So they call it Capuchin Hole, or it will be like Capuchin Hideout in our time. A lot of the names, communities on the island are actually named by pirates.
Really?
Yeah, and some we do have families from pirates too that they stayed here, fell in love across the island. It's normally mainlanders, and they tend to concentrate in these locations, not because they're racist or anything, it's just the cost of life is cheaper for them. So they just move over here for the safety. And this is French Key, also French pirates.
Those are the ones.
Yeah, I set up in front. Welcome to the park. I'm Gavin and I'm your tour guide for the day. We're gonna make a semi-circle right over here. Come for the display, guys.
Cool. Yeah, get a picture.
Just let me sit right in the palm. Watch out behind you guys, especially if you have any glasses on. So you guys, this is one of the 6 female sloths here at the park. We only have 1 male, and he's a pretty busy guy. That's the sloth from Ice Age. He has 4 girlfriends and 2 baby girls.
Go pet him. See his little face.
Pana!
Oh my gosh, his little face is so
You're too close.
So the males are very colorful, guys.
face is so cute.
So you can let her go. Así mismo, así me gusta. Pana, ¿me puedes hacer un gran favor, pa? Dame mi billetera de mi bolsa.
Oh, he moves his arms to come.
We're going to let the adults hold Olivia Benson from Roatan Honduras. Stand over here.
You get this. You can turn just a smidge. Got it. Are you getting the cat?
Watch out behind you. From
Hold on,
this
I'm trying to get his face. I got it.
He doesn't want to take a picture. He's so cute.
You ready, buddy?
Look here.
Stand over here for me.
Sloths are his
Isn't she Olivia?
Just like this. Alright.
Oh. She about the same age?
A little longer in captivity. Now you come this way, Bob. Come towards her. Right.
Do you feel his nails?
Yeah.
You will feel the nails a little bit. Make sure you hold on to her.
You're holding a spirit. Connor's holding his spirit animal. Yay for Connor. He's finally holding a spirit animal.
Connor, you got your spirit animal.
Let me see, Connor. Connor, look at me.
It's like a robot almost. Like.
Hold on, Daddy's.
So, you ready, Bob?
They told me you had it.
Yeah, my name is.
You never told anybody you were going?
Oh, sorry.
Grammy got him, huh? Or Grammy and Sam.
Here, get a picture. Cora, turn the camera and get a picture of Grammy and I. Turn it the other way.
Look this way.
Close enough.
Watch out for her.
Take it.
Did you get his little face?
Alright, so I need 2 more volunteers that want to hold the sloth. But the kids have already went. We're going to let them go.
Guy?
So just like
In my pocket.
I got some, Mom. Oh, you got some? Yeah. Okay, guy, can you turn off the sloth? Oh, there he goes. Okay.
and move up.
All the Mrs. Sloths. I mean all the Timmy.
There's some big claws. These
Just for climbing and hanging on to the tree.
Yeah. Today.
Oh, yeah.
Where's your phone?
Daddy's got it.
Maybe up to 6. The most.
We didn't like that noise. Or she, I guess. I guess this is the girl.
So we're going to let the guy with the camera hold it.
Oh, it is like Connor, buddy.
Mommy, oh my God. Connor, give it back.
See him?
Wait, didn't they? Do they have teeth? No, not slow mo. Oh my gosh, look at Connor, not slow mo. Connor, not slow mo. Connor, not slow mo. You're not even taking it.
I feel like I'm holding Connor.
Yeah, do they have teeth?
When Connor was a little baby. Like a paparazzi. Alright, I feel like my poop luck is running out. He's gonna poop on me any minute.
Alright, so since that was everyone, guys, we're gonna categorize. That's how we're gonna be in there next. So, alright, I'm gonna get you all ready, guys. The bags, I want you to leave them right over here on the bench. No.
What do you do? Oh, jump right, Mackenzie?
Oh my goodness.
All the way inside, guys.
I took it off.
The worst, guys. The worst you can expect is getting pooed or peed on.
Yeah. Pooped on.
Kids, look over here.
He likes her hair.
Oh, he wants me over here? Come on, Mookie.
They like my hair. They don't like mine.
There we go.
Wow. They don't like my head.
They all match the personality of the person they're named after.
He likes Uncle G. It's my hair.
Come, Mookie. Mookie, look. Mookie.
I'm the only one that gets like hair.
Where's the button?
Like,
It's already gone.
There she comes.
Cheated.
I'm fine now. What happened?
Oh, we got two of them.
Party. Ah, baby G, come here, mama. I'm beautiful. Come here, sweetie. Okay, look. Baby G, look. Move. Come here, Mookie. No, they ruin it for the rest of us guys. But this is the sweetest one right here. This is my favorite one.
yeah.
Yes. Well, Mookie.
Tanya.
Of course, you still have food on you.
I know. Get my food.
You've been going home for break.
Do you have food on you? Take your food.
Oh, look. Here.
You get a selfie with her.
Oh, yeah.
Take your food.
I'm not mad.
She always does.
You scared? Oh my god, it is resting.
Oh, yeah. Good pose.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good catch. Yeah.
No, no.
Look it up. All right, so we're gonna let this other group get a chance to interact with them. That's why.
Mom, look at guy.
The monkey likes that.
They're looking for a way to get out. Like we can.
These are the ones that got out the most. They escaped the most. But we got.
How was that, Court? How was it, McKenzie?
Good. It was fun.
Connor, how was it? You need to drink some water.
Oh, okay, very strong.
It got pooped on.
Hello.
Ow, ow! Ouch. Get out.
Be very stable with her, okay?
You want me to take anything?
She likes the bait and
Yeah.
switch. Fish. Oh, do you have a button on this?
A tie.
Stop it.
Oh,
Sorry, that's all.
hello.
Just watch your step, okay?
And you're gonna